So alright guys, we came to wash our car. We came to wash our car.
Yeah.
Washing car here na turn by turn.
Mommy.
Yeah. So you got
Mommy.
Guys, na car will come wash. Now we'll carry food. We'll pack food. For this baby say she won't eat food. Let me get my card ready. Guys, it's almost our turn. Hello. Yeah. No, I don't have credit card yet. Yeah. So I just want 15. You have $15 plan, right? Yeah.
Can I have that back?
I can go through it. Am I not to keep it? I mean, I don't pay money. Thank you. Yeah.
I don't know.
Don't let Mommy go. Mommy. Mommy.
Just have to put it on neutral. Just have to put a car on neutral.
Okay.
Mommy. I
Yeah.
let Mommy go. Mommy, Ripper. Mommy.
My daughter is crying. Mama, calm down. We are washing our car, okay? You want to calm down? You don't want to calm down? Yeah, keep quiet. Guys, this is how we are washing our car. This is how we wash our car. This is how we wash our car. Nice. It's washing with soap. We are done washing the car, guys. Let's go and clean. Let's go. We are going to clean it. Yes, it's it. So guys, now so the wash show. We've washed the car. So now we go use our hand now, clean inside the car.